Bustling and yet vibrant. Shrouded with pigeons and spiritual landmarks. Blend of ancient beliefs. Mabuhay, this is Rolly's Travels. I am your travel guide. In this episode, the Darbar Square in Kathmandu, Nepal. Kathmandu is one of the places that I dream to visit. I bring you to a city filled with ancient palaces and UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Throughout this time, it made me wonder on how the civilization thrived, the place surrounded by mountains. It has been the epicenter of Himalayan since medieval times. Beyond these peaks, a kingdom flourished in the 12th century. How magical it is! The first thing that comes to my mind is the Darbar Square. It means Royal Palace, and known for its open space. I was overwhelmed to see the rooftops temples, the heritage itself of Kathmandu, that I dwelled its cultural and historical treasures. The Darbar Square is the jewel of Nepalese heritage, a testament of royal and cultural richness of kingdoms past. This is the main square, the largest open space in the city, complemented with bustling markets. Merchants place their products to sell to tourists for souvenirs. The most common are the singing bowls and the other Nepalese products. You will enjoy looking at their antiques, art collections, and personal accessories. To set foot here is just like stepping back in time. It was cold and fairly peaceful. It brought me past scene of daily life. I spent half day walking and watching with fascination. It is safe to roam around. The temples are renowned for exquisite carvings. It is recognized for its outstanding cultural value. I am delighted at structures with intricately carved windows and gilded doorways. So amazing, this is a place where myth and history intertwined. The smiles and waves from the locals made me feel instantly at home. Darbar Square is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. I spent half day of my walking here greeting locals and watching in fascination. The Hanuman Doka stands as a timeless testament to the country's royal past. The entrance is guarded by a statue of Hanuman, the Hindu monkey god. It was there in 1672. I explore in depth and difficult to remember the names of all the temples. What matters most is the beauty, and the unique architecture of the square is more than enough. I had a chance to glimpse the Nepal's rich cultural heart. Visitors come to visit Darbar Square, top on their list because it has vibrant local life. It is nice to spend your day around Darbar Square. And mind you, it is surrounded with rooftop cafes and restaurants. Actually, it was badly hit in April 2015 earthquake, but no amount of damage could destroy its unique atmosphere. I have plethora of things to see. A powerful stone idol who is believed to be a furious avatar of Lord Shiva is another attractive feature of the square. Kal Bhairav is a significant temple. Is worshipped as a god of justice and protection. In early times, devotees used to take oath of this statue, and it was believed if oath is broken, devastation will fall upon them. The history of Darbar Square was built by Malla kings, served as a seat of royal palace for 500 years, then later conquered by the Shah dynasty. The buildings here are traced back as early as 3rd century. This place where ancient temples meet daily life in unbroken tradition. The ambience is so relaxed, you can see people are happy talking to each other, relaxing, sitting outside, chatting and laughing. This ancient royal courtyard is one of the most iconic historical attraction and a living symbol of Nepal's grandeur past. Durbar Square isn't just a square, but historical heart where kings were crowned and ruled. The square will take you back in time and provides you the entire picture of royal lifestyle in ancient time.